Two off?
Okay.
Good, better. Okay, so you're about here when your dog goes in the tunnel. And so what am I going to do? Tunnel? Here. Out. Rock it. So, somewhere closer to that side of purple tunnel is where your dogs are going to commit, because sometimes green dogs don't like to commit as to let you do as much stuff as you might touch. So wait, knock down, and hopefully here, touch it, and here. You were on the right side of that line, right? Dog's next line. On here, my dog's coming out of the tunnel. All I need to do is the easiest part, touch that way. Now my dog's coming right